Okay. Actually, it's overwhelming in a good way. Kasi parang nakita ko yung how this event impacts the whole community. So it's inspiring to see students, and actually hindi lang students, it's people with from different ages talaga. They're here to learn, and also at the same time, speakers also are being an inspiration to each other. So yeah, and very welcoming ang community.
Yeah.
Since I have a booth there, di ba? So I was able to speak some of the attendees, and meron din sa kanila na nakakapagkwento. Briefly. So parang in a way, so parang being able to listen to them, to their concerns, and parang if I can, I will give you mga tips, ganyan. So parang seeing people from different parts of the Philippines visit Surigao is a big inspiration.
Yeah.
For,
Thank you
for
so
the
much,
community.
ma'am.
Yeah. Ayan, actually, I was editing my message until earlier, like 7 a.m.
Yeah.
So, inedit ko pa siya kasi parang, di ba, syempre pag a speaker, you have a lineup, you have something prepared. Pero, as you encounter the people, mas makikilala mo sila, mas alam mo kung paano mo sila matutulungan. So, being able to talk to them, yun, I revise talaga na parang, okay, how can I deliver this in a way that will benefit yung mga attendees?
Yeah.
For here?
Yeah.
Oo, sobra. Kasi like, kunwari, this is very accessible, itong area. And like, diba, Surigao is over there. Tapos if ako nagbus ako papunta, nagbus ako papunta dito 12 hours. So parang, ang daming potential. So, malaki ang potential ng digital marketing here. Especially serving yung mga places nearby.
Yes.
So, kahit doon pa lang to start, sobrang malaking ang impact na yun.